Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Staad Pro version and that your license is active. This prevents sudden feature limitations. Once done, open the STD model or start a new one and immediately inspect the model header to identify the current unit system. You need to know whether lengths are in mm, m, or in and whether forces are in n or kn because changing units alters input interpretation. Now, switch to the geometry or input editor to prepare for precise unit change commands. You now execute the unit command in the input editor. Type unit length mm force kn or the units you require, then apply. Once the unit is set, scale geometry and load values if the command does not auto-convert. Multiply coordinates, member sizes, and load magnitudes by the appropriate factor to preserve physical dimensions. Make sure to update section properties explicitly, because library sections may assume original units. After changes, visually inspect model geometry and run a quick check to find You finish by running a model check and a simple analysis case to validate the unit change. This catches sign errors or scale issues early. Once the check runs, compare reaction or displacement magnitudes against a known reference to ensure consistency. If values seem off, reopen the original file and confirm all scalings were applied correctly. Finally, if things go wrong, revert to your backup copy and reapply the unit change step by step, logging each modification to isolate the mismatch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.